prevent a heart attack or prevent a stroke? Well, a recent study came out and it actually talked about how taking supplements doesn't necessarily decrease your risk of a heart attack or stroke. And the study was, obviously done just recently, but the specific supplements that they were looking at were vitamin A, vitamin K, zinc, magnesium, and even copper. And they showed that, it's probably better off that you get these supplements from your food. Now, we know that food sources can be an issue sometimes. We're not getting the best quality of food that we used to. So I'm a big fan of taking supplements to prevent and reverse heart disease. But I think it's important to understand the type of supplements that you're taking. I think when they're using studies like this to talk about supplements, it's important that you're taking good quality supplements. Drugs undergo a vigorous testing to undergo through different phases to make sure that it can get to where it goes to. But supplements don't have the same idea that it has to go through to get to that level of to market that way. And so my opinion would be to get a good quality supplement. And usually those pharmaceutical grade supplements are much better for you than the ones that we can pick up usually at our local shopping store there that way. So be careful where you buy your supplements. Make sure you talk to a healthcare practitioner before you go out and invest in these supplements. So that would be the other thing. And in that study, it also showed that calcium, if you take too much calcium, it can result in an adverse effect and cause death. And so, you gotta watch out and not self-dose or self-medicate yourself when it comes to supplements. You gotta be able to look at that part of it. So make sure that you talk to your healthcare practitioner and understand some key levels of what your blood and where your deficiencies are, because it's so important to look at your deficiencies before you start to medicate yourself and understand where you're at. So tips to take away from are: make sure you have a good quality supplement, make sure you get as much as you can from your food groups, and make sure you talk to your healthcare practitioner so that you obviously can get to better heart health that way and prevent that heart attack or stroke. Here's Diamond Fernandez from the Hartford Clinic, wishing you to live happier, healthier, and longer. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and look forward to providing you some valuable tips on preventing and reversing